Okay. Welcome back, guys. Jason here. Second video on the new channel. On my new phone. Yes. That was finally the chaos. I didn't think I would get that for Christmas. And then we got the Zeus. The thread switch on. Dang, I didn't really shot this one. And then we got another one. We have an Atlas. I'm not gonna shoot these two. And we have this one. We have a lot of Nerf rifles. We got this one. We have the little Impalo. The little tiny Impalo. Yeah. Alright, back, so I'm gonna pick up those bullets. Okay, I am back. I found all the darts. And we have all the boxes. Give this one. There's the two rifles. The Zeus and Palo. Mine's Jenny, and we have those two guns. We got some stuff for Christmas. Matthew, start cleaning up our room. I haven't finished yet. Matthew will be back here tomorrow. I just made this video to show our rival guns, which are pretty cool and cool. And then I got my mask. Yeah. I'll show you guys my phone. Oh, Bucky. Look at you. And there's the ball. Make you no more Christmas tree. No more Christmas tree. You, new phone. I'll take off the keys. The case. I'll put it back so I can put it back. I'm back. Okay. Come on, Lucky. Good job. Good job. Boom, got that milk. Okay, let's go back upstairs. We got Black Ops 3 and stuff for Christmas. Like this. I got some more Hot Wheels. That's nice. It's noise. We found a load of Hot Wheels. I was trying to get up to 10 subscribers or 12 on my old channel. So, that was a short video. If you want to say. You guys gonna see that, but there's no one outside. Steve! This guy's name's Steve. He's made of a bone ball. Oh, that might be the end of the video, guys. See ya in the next one. Wait, let's see Coco. Peace!